Test our latest model. Special lights for paddle balls. Data representation at the scene. So around the 3 questions just mentioned. First, is a uniformity of its sight sufficient? Why do I keep coming back to this question? Because of paddle tennis, it is a distance between the light. It's 12 meters long, but the height of the lights, it just gives us 6 meters. Lots of ordinary optics. It's hard to solve this uniformity problem. In fact, the brightness in the middle is too low. This is the first one. Secondly, one of its energy consumption. For example, one of the data I'm measuring now, how much watts need. Then if I have a power in it now, one light 240 watts. One quart is actually only 1200 watts. 1.8 kilowatts per hour. The third question, glare issue. Then this lamp. It is also a polarized optics customized by us. We took over a year. It is installed horizontally, so a control on its side. The glare effect will be very good, so it won't happen like this. The lamp is side mounted like this. In fact, the glare over there will be very strong. Can you mainly solve these 3 problems? In fact, through this video, you should have seen the first question. The first uniformity must be high. If the uniformity is not high, we should be able to see it in the camera now. The brightness in this area is very low, right? Then I will measure a specific illuminance data. The first energy saving. I will measure this illuminance data. So the first thing that everyone cares about, it's the brightness around this net pillar. Is it enough? Right. Is it really low? So remember the first data, 407, that is to say, this place where everyone's light is. Is the brightness worse? Here's the first data. Now the second data is equally worrying. This corner. Is this brightness poor? Hey, there are also 317, right? Does not fluctuate much. Then, test these places again. Is it very bright? Because this is near the light pole. Under the light pole. Is it very high? Okay, 414, see? It didn't get very high, did it? Very even. Then measure the position between the lamp and the lamp again. 419, right? 419 and then test again. According to the length of 20 meters, I measured the position of its bottom line. It is the bottom line. 396 is the most critical question. This corner is usually the hardest to cover. 320 then, its average illumination. It can be calculated according to the data just now. The average illumination is about 380. My approximate data, that is to say, 1200 watt 1 quart, for lights. It can meet a standard above the level 1. You said I want a higher illumination performance. It's very simple. Just increase the power of the lamp.